Hello math enthusiasts, welcome to the section 8 of integrals. In this section we're gonna to discuss integration of a sin x plus b cosine x plus c. How we must calculate this form of integrals. You know, at the first I gonna to prove this form of trigonometric ratios. For example, you consider that is x over 2 and tangent of x over 2 you consider that is t. Therefore this edge is t, that is 1 and hypotenuse is 1 over 2 squared. Am I right? If I gonna to calculate sine of x over 2 is exactly t over radical 1 plus 2 power 2 and cosine x radical 1 plus 2 power 2. Adjacent is here 1. But in here I gonna to calculate sine. By trigonometry ratios we know sine x is exactly 2 sine x2 times cosine x. Yes, I just substitute in here. Therefore is 2 times t over integration of 1 plus 2 squared times 1 divided exactly that radical, and the answer is 2t over 1 plus 2 squared. Am I right? But another one we know by trigonometry ratios. Also guys, all of these I prove in the trigonometry. You can follow my trigonometry playlist. Cosine x is cosine x over 2 power 2 minus sine x over 2 power 2, and if we substitute in here 1 over 1 plus 2 squared plus 2 power 2 because it's in power 2 but in the minus, yes, 1 plus 2 squared, answer is 1 minus 2 squared divided 1 plus 2 squared. What about dx? You consider our t was tangent x over 2, yes? If we take a derivative from both sides, differentiate of t is exactly 1 over 2 times 1 plus tangent x over 2 power 2 dx, yes? If we're gonna to calculate dx is at the first we multiply by 2 and divided to this factor is 1 plus tangent x over 2 power 2. Okay guys, let's summarize our notice. In this formula we substitute t by tangent x over 2, yes? Therefore, the sine x, after calculation, we achieve to 1 plus t over 2, 2 times t. And for cosine x, we achieve to 1 plus 2 squared, 1 minus 2 squared. Exactly dx is 2 over 1 plus 2 squared. These three things can help us to integrate this form of 1 plus a sine x plus b cosine x plus c dx. At the first, I'm gonna to calculate these guys. By substitution, I replaced these factors in here. Integration of, instead of sine, I put in here 2t divided 1 plus t squared. 1, instead of dx, I put 2 over 1 plus 2 squared. And immediately this can cancel each other. This one can cancel each other. Of course, in the last is dt, yes? After similarization, our integration is 1 over t dt. It's so simple. Is integration of ln t plus by c. And in the last, we just substitute t by tangent x over 2. And our integration procedure finished. What about these guys? Integration of 1 minus 2 squared, 1 plus 2 squared. Instead of this, I put 2 over 1 plus 2 power 2 d theta, yes? Okay, immediately they can cancel each other. The integration to 1 minus t squared d theta. By partial fraction decomposition, we know instead of this, I use a trick. 1 plus t plus 1 minus t. You know, they can cancel each other. Therefore, answer is 2. We factorize this 1 minus t times 1 plus t, and this part with this is integration of they can cancel each other. 1 minus t d theta plus this one with this one, this cancel each other, and integration of 1 plus t d theta. Yes, exactly. If we put in here minus and in the out minus, they can cancel each other. Exactly this part, derivative is in the out, therefore is minus ln 1 minus 2 in absolute value, but exactly this part, derivation is in the top, is ln of 1 plus t. Therefore we can use by ln rules. At the first I write it minus this part, yes, is ln of 1 plus t divided to 1 minus t plus c is our total integration. But the last one, are you awake? Yes, let's start it so powerfully. Yeah, we just substitute exactly the integration of 1 over, instead of sine 2t divided 1 plus 2 squared plus 1 minus t squared divided 1 plus 2 squared plus 1, but in the above is 2 times 1 over 2 squared d theta. Yes? Okay, let's go to the symbolization. Therefore, instead of this, I write 1 plus 2 squared, 1 plus 2 squared. So is all of this numerator is the same, is 1 plus 2 squared, 2t plus 1 minus 2 squared, 1 plus 2 squared. They can cancel each other, and in the top is 2, 1 plus 2 squared, but this one and this one cancel, d theta first. And if we factoriate 2 about the numerator of this, is exactly integration of 2 divided to 2t plus 1 d theta. Yes, is 2 times t plus 1, and they can cancel each other, is integration of 1 plus d theta, and also we calculated in the previous, that is ln of 1 plus t in absolute value plus c. But in the last, we just substituted tangent x over 2, and you tell me the total answer in the comment. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.